with so many business leaders, business owners, business influencers across the globe, people flying in from all over to learn the tools and techniques, the do's and don'ts that they need in order to have a greater impact on the world, to end this year with amazing power and set themselves up for greater success in the next calendar year.
I am here today because the amazing Marie Waite, the finest woman in real estate, is hosting this beautiful event today for all the business owners.
But networking and connecting with these professionals has just been a blessing beyond blessings.
For the first time, Fire Out Live, it was amazing. We had a great time. Wes Chandler was here.
First of all, shoot, he's one of the best NFL players I've ever seen out on the gridiron, but hearing how he just instills himself into the people that he meets in order to help them reach the next level, it fires me up, fired everybody up in the room.
We had a slew of really good speakers talking about different types of investment opportunities, business leadership, communications. We had one of the more popular drive time radio hosts.
Listen, I had a dynamite time here meeting with some amazing entrepreneurs and people right here at Fired Up Live. It was an amazing afternoon. You're going to want to come out next year. It's going to be a remarkable gathering of big thinkers and folks looking for opportunity. It's everything that's great.
So a lot of the speakers talked about real estate, but there's also speakers in other industries as well. So I really enjoyed it and had some great takeaways and ahas from being at the event.
Attending this event, it was really empowering, fantastic, and amazing. All the speakers are very direct, and I'm going to put that and apply it towards our business.
Come on out to next year's Fired Up Live.